entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
Fuckhead!
Because we all want to last a little longer. Now you can with new KY Duration Spray.
-ps.vic.edu.au and discover my school. Find us in Dundas Street, mine address.
Customer Service Centre will move to the new Ballarat Guncup building. A10 Vic Road Customer Service Centre will move to the new Ballarat Guncup building at 101 Armstrong Street North. All transactions and services will be available at the new Customer Hub Ballarat.
Safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines will help protect us. The rollout of vaccines will be available in batches. So we're making sure they go on.
You need to have the correct fitting bra.
It's probably going to turn right.
Almost 80% of women wear the wrong size bra. That's why the lingerie shop is committed to finding you the right fitting bra every time.
Do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
At the lingerie shop, Country Victoria.
In 5.5 kilometres, take exit 11 on the left to Mains Road.
Alright, yep. We'll go now, right? Yes. Yes, we'll go now.
Oh, goody. Well,
no, it's not them either.
Alright, I'll keep trying.
Thanks, Helen. Good on you. Thanks for playing. Appreciate it.
Go anyway, mate.
Well, it's all still very
You
alive
idiot.
for you. That means thanks to Helen. In as little as...
Well done, sir.
Oh, okay.
Hey! Illegal U-turn again.
In a way that's kind of like giving your flame away. With you, I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Idiot. You know, today would be good, mate.
You're just beef him, like, fuck me.
summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay?
Like he didn't think we were cool. But he's wrong. Of course he's wrong!
Thank you. I'm like, oh. Yeah.
No, yes. Nice. Really nice.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
Can I repeat that? I'm sorry, yeah, sir. Let me repeat it. Fuck yourself.
Yes, sir.
Geordies, if you've ever been to Rottnest, I have a passing interest in Rottnest, as Chronicast listeners know.
So we've heard.
But they're not separate cabins, they're actually next door to each other, so I'm not sure that Rottnest is such a great option. But that's what they're calling for.
Smaller version of Chronicast, but of course you can find the full version on the ABC Listen app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Wow.
Thank you, Tegan and Dr. Norman.
Partly cloudy in Gippsland today, a top of 17 degrees. High chance of showers between 5 and 10 millimetres of rain. Light winds coming from north, picking up later in the day. Get more news and information.
What a fucking dickhead.
Download and listen.
Somebody's been a naughty boy. Either that or they're doubling up as the RACV.
Big face! live.
Victoria's West is growing.
Going through your collection of videos.
Businesses in Melbourne's outer western fringe say my state is bad.
Fucking idiots! Fuck you! You fucking cockhead!
Oh my god.
And then he fucking turns, yay! You fucking idiot!
Oh my.
You better go high, Cole. Pick a line you can drive through. Go around those wrecks, you can drive through it. I know it. I know it in my heart.
It's not working.
Okay, now let's go find it.
Fuck.
I mean, no, it's fine. It's working now. That's deep water.
Shit, that's coming corner.
Shit, that didn't work.
I find that on YouTube, and it's gonna go right up your fucking ass.